Join us as we journey to Fort Jefferson and the Dry Tortugas, a remote paradise at the edge of Florida. Nestled within a deep harbor at the end of one of the world's largest reefs, this historic fortress is surrounded by crystal clear waters and vibrant marine life.
There's one right here too.
Watch frigatebirds soar overhead, build their nests, and swoop in to steal a meal while seaplanes touch down in this breathtaking island escape.
We have to go around that channel over there, and then we're going to go around and then anchor right where all those other boats are on the southern side of the fort.
Welcome to Fort Jefferson. This is the largest brick masonry structure in the Western Hemisphere, built with over 16 million bricks. Its purpose? To guard one of the most strategic deep water anchorages in the Caribbean.
So cool.
In 1513, Ponce de Leon sailed through the turquoise waters of the Gulf of Mexico and discovered a group of islands teeming with sea turtles. The helpless sea turtles would provide a source of fresh meat for the sailors, who would sadly flip them upside down on the boat and splash them with fresh water to keep them alive for weeks. He named the area Las Tortugas, Spanish for the turtles. Sailors quickly learned that there was no fresh water here, so they added dry to the name. Thus, the Dry Tortugas earned their name, a testament to both their bounty and their barrenness. The fort was never actually finished. Construction started in 1846, but it was so remote and costly that work eventually stopped, leaving this giant incomplete. The fort served as a prison during the Civil War. Its most famous inmate, Dr. Samuel Mudd, the man who treated John Wilkes Booth after Lincoln's assassination. Fort Jefferson never saw combat, but it narrowly avoided being captured by the Confederates during the Civil War. When a rebel ship demanded its surrender, Union Major L.G. Arnold bluffed, warning that he would blow their ship out of the water, forcing the rebels to retreat, just months before the real cannons arrived. That's crazy.
Thank you.